Hey guys, Casey here, and today we're back with another vlog. And oh my god, don't tell me I broke it again. I keep breaking the fidget cube again. Why is there a car in here? That's kind of weird. Where do you guys want to go? Like around the baseball field?
Okay.
So we're just gonna be going around the baseball field today. And yeah, I got another fidget cube today. The other one I got broke.
In the bathroom.
Lucas and Keaton aren't here today. It's just me, Cal, and Ruby. Today, on this vlog, Lucas and Keaton are here. But we're gonna go to the baseball game later.
Oh yeah, we want to probably video that, but
No, we're just gonna be catching balls and stuff.
yeah.
I'm not gonna video the baseball game.
My trigger finger got tired.
You guys wanna walk around again?
What?
You guys wanna walk around again?
Okay.
Today we're going to see a baseball game.
The Rail Riders against the Indians.
Yeah. We're going to see, it's a minor league. It's not MLB, no. We're going to see a minor league game.
I did see an MLB game at April 29th, the Yankees versus Orioles. And yeah, I saw that, and the Yankees won just by a bit. The Orioles were winning 9-2, and the Yankees came back and won 14-13.
Yeah.
Did you watch that game?
No, I don't usually watch baseball on TV. Sounds like I see some kids over here.
I have heartburn again. Ow, ow, ow.
You have heartburn?
Yeah.
Heartburn hurts. I hate heartburn.
You only get it for like a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Ow. I get heartburn from wings.
You didn't even eat. Oh yeah, we had KFC for lunch today, and when he eats chicken, he gets heartburn for some reason. This is how the Callahan works. Ow,
Wings, not chicken.
wings are chicken.
Same thing. Not same thing.
Wings and chicken are basically the same thing, except wings just have bones in them. Right? Right?
Hey Ruby, what'd you bring? Just a fidget cube?
I brought the fidget cube too.
What if they're going to be playing today? Well, we don't really care.
Yeah.
But the ones around here.
We'll get lots of whatchamacallits. Dippin' Dots. I love Dippin' Dots.
I call them chicken dogs.
Cal, aren't we a kid-friendly YouTube channel?
That's what I call them.
You're on camera.
I call them chicken dogs.
You're on camera.
I don't care. I call them chicken dogs. I said I don't care. I call them chicken dogs.
Cal, kid-friendly, please.
I call them dick.
Technical difficulties. We'll get this kid under control. You better push him over.
I call them chicken dogs. You can't even push me over.
I can. Here, Ruby, hold the camera. Ruby, hold the camera. Ruby! Ruby, will you hold the camera? Yeah, bad boy. We're kid friendly.
I call them chicken dogs.
You're on camera. Come on, guys, stop dilly-dallying. The video's gonna be too long. Are Lucas and Keaton coming to the game?
No. At the soccer practice, maybe. Payback. Want it in your hair? Then stop. I'm doing it.
Tough face, Ruby. I'm zooming in on your tough face.
Let's race all the way home.
Race all the way home?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah. Just me and Ruby though, because you're too fast. You're the winner.
I'm just gonna stay behind you guys and film the race.
Okay. Ready? Let's go.
You guys want a race?
What?
Okay. This is gonna be a race.
Why?
All the way here to the house. 3, 2, 1, go. Ruby's not running. Cal. Ruby's not racing for some reason.
That's because she's too scared to lose.
She's faster than you.
What?
She's faster than you.
Well, we have to race and see.
She beat you yesterday.
Well, it doesn't matter. That's because you pushed me over.
That was hilarious.
Come on, let's race. Ready?
Set, go.
Wow, I'm beating her. Let's race, actually. Come on. Come on. Ooh, what a baby.
How it feels to chew 5 gum. No, wait. Hang on, wait. Okay, film me. Wait, Cal, no! Okay, looks like we're gonna have to do a meme with it.
It opened.
There's gum in here.
I know.
Okay, look. Ready? I'm gonna do the meme now.
Come back up. It actually wasn't open. Hey, Cole, was it actually open, you know?
Come on. Put it all back in. Okay, come on, keep walking, guys.
That's Keaton's gum. That's my gum. Oh, freaking heartburn.
Yeah, heartburn hurts. Okay, ready? How it feels to chew 5 gum. 5 gum. Stimulate your senses.
Why'd you have to throw it at me?
Five gum. Stimulate your senses.
Wait, I want to do something with it.
Don't throw it. Rip 5 gum. He threw it like a mile.
Before it's heavier, I can throw it further. Like this, I can do a fall.
That was a full 5 gum box.
I know. That's more than 5 gum. Remember that time I shot somebody with a shotgun?
You did?
Kidding.
Cal, you always trip when I aim the camera at you. Ah, Jesus! I tripped! Heartburn? No, if you have heartburn, why'd you want to race? If you had heartburn, why'd you want to race? I do too. Jesus freaking God.
Dip and dash, dip and dash, dip and dash.
I just twisted it by foot
What?
from the freaking road.
My elbow hurts just like last night. Ow, I just twisted my leg.
I actually did. I twisted my foot.
He's like a 5-year-old.
That's going to be it for today's vlog, guys.
See you tomorrow.
If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And subscribe to our individual channels. I'm Burnsy Gaming. She's Lavender Love Ocean. And he is Cool Cow. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you want more vlogs. And we will see you guys in the next video. KC out.